Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning Bluetooth on and making the receiving device discoverable. This allows immediate pairing. Once done, make sure both devices have at least 20% battery to prevent interruptions. Open the Photos app and pick the images you want to share so they're ready. Next, tap Share or the three-dot menu to reveal transfer options. This preps the files while you complete pairing. This order saves time and reduces steps because selecting files first avoids navigating apps during the Bluetooth handshake. You now scan and select the receiving device name, then confirm any PIN or code shown on both screens. This secures the connection. After pairing, choose Bluetooth from the Share menu. The system will begin sending data and show a progress bar or percentage. Make sure the receiver taps Accept when prompted, then pick a Save folder if offered. While transferring, avoid moving out of range. Staying within about 10 meters with minimal obstruction keeps speed steady and reduces failed transfers. To complete, check that the photos open correctly on the receiving device and only resend any failed items. This prevents duplicates. If pairing or transfer fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart the Bluetooth service, or reboot the devices. These quick resets clear stale states. For slow speeds, move both devices closer, remove walls or interference, and send photos in smaller batches rather than one huge transfer. If problems persist, try an alternate method like Wi-Fi Direct or a cloud link as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.